Well, here we are another week and another new dual cab Ute. This one comes from Chinese manufacturer LDV. It's a step up from their existing T60 Ute, which we've already driven and tested. Well, most of the body-on-frame dual cab Utes that are on the market now use basically a three-section body where you have the front panels, the cabin section, and then your tub. This one really only has two big pieces. The body section runs straight through to the rear section, so it's all one piece. Now, what that means for buyers is that you cannot remove the tub to put a tray on there or a canopy or anything else you might want to add. What LDV does tell us that that allowed them to get rid of that gap in the middle there, giving more space for rear seat passengers. Now, while LDV is keen to tell us that by having that one-piece body, it gets rid of that gap and gives us more room in the cabin, this is fairly much standard fare for the dual cab Utes that we're already used to. The Terron 9 is going to come in two spec levels, and this is the base model vehicle, but it still has quite a premium feel about it despite having cloth seats. But for some people like myself, I like cloth seats. As I say, it's got that premium feel. Two big 12.3-inch screens here in front of the driver, a leather feeling type steering wheel with all your controls on it. There's a few unique things like the way the door buttons are and the gear shifter system. There's a few things that are quite unique. Will take a bit of getting used to, but yeah, it's a good feeling car. Here we are behind the wheel of the LDV Terron 9. Let's take it out on the track. Before we do so, I'll let you know it's single turbo 2.5 litre diesel engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, dual range 4x4. It's got 163 kilowatts of power and 530 newton meters of torque, so it's up there in torque and power. Let's see how it goes on the road. It's a little steep grade with a couple of ruts in it. It does have a rear diff lock as well. Into gear. Some nasty ruts in this. I'll test out the traction control. Traction control does sound like one of those older systems that are that sort of a springing sound in the background. I don't know if you can hear it there. It's like the old Land Rovers used to do. The more modern systems tend not to do that so much, but it's still got the job done quite easily. Descent here. Here's the paddles back to first gear. Control the hill. You have got a manual mode there on the gear shifter, possibly in manual, but in engine drive you only got to hit the paddles to take it out.